Hello everyone, welcome to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making my one pot fried rice recipe. We are going to preheat our oil and then saute some chopped onions. These are 2 chopped onions. This is a very simple and quick recipe. I'm going to fry them until they become translucent, and then I'll show you the next step. I'm going to be adding these chicken breast slices I got from the supermarket. You can use anything that you want, even fresh chicken breast or leftover meat that you've got at home. I'm going to be adding some prawns or shrimps as we call it. These are frozen ones. I'll add in 1 stock cube, and then my rice. To give this dish a little bit of color, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you've not got any of these two, you can either add curry, turmeric, saffron, or even 1 tablespoon of tomato paste to give it a little bit of color. I'm going to toast the rice for about 3 minutes before I add in my water. This will make the flavors infuse the rice nicely. Ebema enyemani na akokokoko emuni mukama kama. I'm adding enough water to cook the rice. Kindly taste and add some salt if necessary. You are going to cover it and then cook until it's done, but you need to stir it up every here and then so that it doesn't burn. When the rice is almost done, I'm going to be adding some store-bought frozen vegetables. Use any vegetables of your choice. Sometimes I use frozen chopped bell peppers and green beans. That one I do it myself. I chop my bell peppers and then green beans and then I freeze them. For this recipe, you don't want to use fresh chopped vegetables because it's a quick one. If I should use fresh vegetables, I would make like proper fried rice. Our one pot fried rice is ready. Trust me, this is so delicious. An alternative way to enjoy fried rice without doing so much. Thank you so much for supporting. Please subscribe if you haven't. Watch my videos, share, like, comment, anything you can do to make my channel grow. Please do it because it encourages me a lot. Thank you very much. Bye.